I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one day if you steal my fidgets, I'll explode all over you. Ten out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Okay guys, so we're going to be doing worth it or not worth it. So how this works is I'm going to just pick a fidget like this, and then if like I was like, oh my god, I really like this, so I'm glad I got it, I'm gonna put it in the worth it bucket. But if I don't like it and I'm like, oh my god, I wanna like put it back, or like, yeah, I will put it in the not worth it. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be doing a little doggy squishy. This was definitely worth it because it's very slow rising and really cute. So I'm gonna put it in the worth it bucket. Next is this squishy that I showed you like a minute ago. And this is not worth it because it is like a foam squishy and it's very fast rising. Next is this little cat, and it's worth it. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna do my squishies right now. This little bunny, this is worth it because it's so cute and slow rising. So I might not have a lot of worth it. I might not have a lot of not worth it, because I like a lot of my fidgets, because like why would you get it if you didn't like it? But like I have a reason for these. I have a reason to know to not know that I didn't like that, because it's a squishy and you never know if it's fast rising or not. So next are these bendy pencils. They're actually really fun, so these are worth it. Alright, next I'm going to do my tangle. That was definitely worth it. I love my tangle. Next is this wacky trap. I say worth it because I am obsessed with that thing, and this keeps on falling down. There. Next I'm gonna do this dimple, Among Us dimple. That's definitely worth it. I love my dimple. Next, acupressuring. If I said acupressuring right, I'm not sure. Worth it. See, look, that's like the only fidget and not worth it, and then that's worth it. Like that actually might be my only not worth it. pea popper, worth it. Oops. Oh God. Worth it. Did I put, okay, yeah, it's in there. Next, this Slurring squishy. That's definitely worth it. I love that squishy. I actually have 4 snappers, so I'm gonna put them all in worth it because they're really fun. And this is the last one, I think, yeah. Alright, next is this blue Simple Dimple. That was definitely worth it. Good. Alright, so next is this huge snake. That was worth it because I love that snake. Okay, that's getting annoying. Okay. Next is this unicorn poppet. It's not worth it, and it is, but I'm gonna put it not worth it. Because this side is like really bad. It fell down, come on. All right, next is, oh my God. There. Next is this Baby Yoda poppet. This isn't worth it because like it won't pop through all the way right here. And right here, you can barely like hit it to like go there. So this was definitely not worth it. I only like the good side. Like, yeah. Okay, I know the answer to this. I got this at Five Below, like that unicorn one, but this one is actually like double-sided. And the bad side is actually my favorite. And this is definitely worth it in the worth it box. Okay, I don't care if this falls down anymore. It's getting annoying. Next is this hard shell poppet. It's like 4 mini poppets. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Did 3 mini poppets? 4. All right, so this is definitely worth it. Let me just do this good side real quick because I love the good side. All right, I'm just gonna set this down in there because, or just like kind of throw it. All right, this was worth it. All right, this is the last one. I actually got this from the gas station. This one is double-sided and it is worth it. Bye. Hey guys, so I thought why not do more fidgets in this claw machine, and yeah, so I just gonna grab my handy wallet and then I'm gonna get some cents out of it, some 25 cents. I think I'm gonna do it 4 times today, so I'm gonna get 4 quarters. All right, I got 4 quarters. Now I'm just gonna take one and put it in. Now it's time to, okay, I see the shadow. Oh, there it is, right here. Oh my God, it's a snapper. All right, let's do this once again and see what I get. Oh wait, actually I'm not gonna do it today, so I will see y'all in the morning.